Hello and welcome to Free World Investing. Today we're going to be going over how to set up pivot point alarms. We're using TradingView. You can find the to the link to the software in the description. Now first you're going to want to grab a horizontal line. Now it's kind of a pain to set up alarms on here with TradingView, but it's really the only program that I know of that you can set up good alarms for getting sent to your cell phone and your email in real time for Forex and the stock market. Because you use pivot points for either or. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set up a horizontal line for the resistance, support, and pivot point on the beginning of the week. As you can tell, I'm doing it at the end of the week on this one. But you'd want to do it at the very beginning so you could get all the trades that you possibly can. And then you're going to go to each one after you have them set up. You're going to double click it. Once you double click it, you're going to come here. If it helps you, you could switch the color. Like it may help you if you're doing multiple sets of pivot points, because you can use different sets of pivot points on here. You have the daily, weekly, monthly. We're looking at the weekly right now on a 4-hour chart. Then once you do that and you have everything set up the way you want to go to alert, and then all you gotta do is have it set up. It should be automatically set up on crossing as a default. If it's not, then you want to set it to crossing horizontal line. You would also use a trend line if you want, and then have choose only once per bar, once per close, once per minute. It's really all up to you how often you want the alarm to go off. You can have this alarm be on forever or not, and then you just decide whether you want to send it to an email, send an email to your phone, send it just only a text message, or notify on the app. And really, it's that simple. And then once you're done with that, you just scroll down and then you hit create, which is a little bit farther down, further than this goes, but it's right down there. And then you just hit create. And then once you do, a menu will pop up right here, and it'll show you your alarm watch list, and it should pop up here in any second. But that's really all you have to do, and you just have to repeat that for the resistance, pivot, and support lines. And if you looked at trading with pivot points before, you know of its power. And that's really just about it. If you have any questions, please let me know, and stay tuned for more videos. They're on the way.